The one whose wife says to make your 3-in-1 into a 9-in-1. For that, you need to drink this gulp, this drink. And after drinking, you'll start seeing that 3-in-1 changing into a 9. It works so instantly. I'm going to present a very wonderful drink to you. You'll have a lot of fun. The ingredients are very simple. I'll quickly tell you and wrap up the video. So the first thing included in this is saffron. Only a pinch is needed. Don't run away hearing it's expensive. First look at the thing, then decide. After that, you need 1 spoon of fennel seeds, okay? This is also 1 spoon, okay? After that, look at the cinnamon. This is cinnamon, red-brown in color. Look, this is a great thing. Its real benefit is obtained, okay? So you need to take this. After that, finally, what do you need to take? Take cloves. Take 2 cloves. Don't take more. Take 2 cloves. Now I place these 4 things in front of you. These 3 and this 1. 4. These 4 things you need to cook in water, in the quantity of 1 cup. This is in front of you. As soon as the water starts boiling, then you add saffron. Don't add saffron first. First add those 3 things. After adding a pinch, when the water starts boiling, take it off. After taking it off, strain it or just drink it as is, no problem. You have to wait for it to cool down by sipping until it's cool enough that your mouth doesn't burn when you drink it. After that, drink it after your daytime meal. You can also drink it at night, but I don't recommend it at night. If you drink it during the day, the system will be fine by night. Understand what I'm saying? So drink this, have lots of fun, and live life to the fullest.